Hi, we are presenting a project called Speech Recognition and Conversion to Gesture Signals using vibration gloves for deaf people. Deaf people faces a lot of difficulties while communicating with a normal person, and for successful communication, both the persons who are communicating will have to know a similar language. And for a deaf person, this language is a gesture language. So, if a normal person doesn't know this gesture language, then he won't be able to communicate with a deaf person. But our project will try to bridge this gap. We will create this system which will convert a speech into a gesture signal. Our project is divided into two parts. The first part will convert the speech into a text message, and in the second part this text that is created will be converted into a gesture signal using vibrating motors which are attached to a glove. For the first step, there are open source codes available to do the speech conversion to the text. We will be using CMU Sphinx for the same, and this kind of processing will require a high end of processor, and for this we will be using our own laptops. And for the second stage, which is conversion of this text to touch, there are two parts. The first part is an Arduino board which will take the input text from the laptop. The Arduino itself will decode this text so that it can send signals to the vibrating motors. There will be 5 vibrating motors placed for each of the 5 fingers, and each of a vibration at one finger means that that finger should be curled for that particular alphabet. Each vibration will stay for 200 milliseconds, and this time will be sufficient for the other deaf person to detect which the vibration and to understand which alphabet the Arduino board is transmitting. In this way, a text can be converted to this vibrating kind of a touch feeling in a relatively small time. This means a deaf person is able to understand what his friend is telling him without looking at a laptop or an iPod that gives the speech recognition output in the form of text. This means that his social life will improve highly due to his improved communication skills, and this will transform his whole life completely. So this is a project that revolutionized deaf person's life. Thank you.